Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to talk about Canva. So, if you're new here, welcome. If not, what's up? This one might be a little bit different because today, we're going to actually talk about a company and its services rather than a particular tool. But this company has some really cool tools and they have a design software that I personally use, so that's why I wanted to talk about them today. But before we get started, make sure you subscribe to be notified when I post new videos. So today, we're talking about Canva. We're going to go over how it works, key features, how to set up, who uses it, and finally, some alternatives to Canva. Alright, so first, let's answer the question, what is Canva? Alright, so Canva is a popular graphic design platform that allows users to create professional-looking designs easily. So even if you don't have any design skills or experience, you can still create really good looking stuff with this program. And that's because it has a drag and drop interface that makes it really simple to create things. Plus, it has thousands of templates for resumes, posters, invitations, social media posts, and more. ITEA also has a massive library of elements like icons, images, fonts, videos, and other stuff that can be used to create unique designs. This means you don't have to start a design from scratch. You can just pick something from their templates and then customize it to your liking. Now, Canva doesn't just allow you to create designs, but you can also edit videos, presentations, audio recordings, and more. So yeah, it's kind of like a Swiss Army knife for creatives, and that's why it's become so popular. In fact, millions of people around the world use Canva to create amazing stuff. And I think one of the biggest reasons for its popularity is its ease of use and accessibility. Okay, so you can access Canva from anywhere and you don't need to download or install anything. It's web-based, which means you can use it from any device, and all you need is a web browser. Canva also has desktop apps for Mac and Windows, and mobile apps for iOS and Android. Also, unlike many other design programs, you don't need to be an expert to use Canva. Even beginners can pick it up quickly and easily. Alright, now let's take a look at how Canva actually works. So you sign up for a Canva account, and once you're logged in, you'll see the Canva homepage. From here, you can browse templates or start a blank design. When you click on the template, it will open up in the editor where you can customize it to your liking. Canva has a drag and drop editor, which means you can move elements around and change their properties, like color and size. You can also add your own elements like text, images, and videos. Once you're done, you can save your design and download it in any format you want. Canva also allows you to share designs via a link or email. Alright, now that we know how it works, let's take a look at some of the key features. First, there are the templates. Canva has a huge library of templates for all kinds of designs, including social media posts, presentations, logos, flyers, posters, business cards, and more. There's a massive selection of templates available, and you can search for specific ones based on your needs. Next, there's stock media. Canva has millions of photos, videos, and icons that users can use in their designs. The majority of these are free to use, although there are some premium assets as well. There are hundreds of fonts to choose from, and you can also upload your own fonts if you want. Canva also has a brand kit feature that lets you save your brand colors, logos, and fonts so you can use them consistently across your designs. It also has a background remover tool which can automatically remove the background from an image. So this is super useful if you want to use an image in a design, but you don't want the background. Canva also has animation features which allow you to add motion to your designs. And finally, there's team collaboration, which allows multiple people to work on a design at the same time. Alright, now that we know the features, let's take a look at how to actually set up and use Canva first. You need to sign up for an account, and you can do that on their website or by downloading the app. You can sign up using your Google account, Facebook account, email, or Apple ID. After signing up, you'll need to choose a plan. Canva offers a free plan with basic features and limited templates and stock assets. However, they also offer Canva Pro for $12.99 per month, which gives you access to premium templates, the background remover, brand kits, and 100 gigabytes of storage. They also offer Canva for Teams, which is designed for collaborative work. Once you've chosen a plan, you can start designing. Simply select a template and customize it to your liking. Once you're done, you can download your design or share it via a link or email. Alright, so now let's take a look at who actually uses Canva. As I mentioned earlier, Canva is a versatile tool that can be used by anyone from social media managers to educators to content creators and students. In fact, pretty much anyone who needs to create designs can benefit from using Canva. Social media managers use Canva to create engaging posts, stories, and ads for their brands. Businesses use it to create logos, flyers, and business cards. Educators use it to create presentations and worksheets, and content creators use it to create YouTube thumbnails and videos. Students use it for projects and infographics, and really anyone who wants to create professional-looking designs can benefit from using Canva. Finally, let's take a look at some alternatives to Canva. The first alternative is Adobe Express, which is a simpler version of Adobe's suite of design tools. It's not as user-friendly as Canva, but it does offer more advanced features. Next, we have Figma, which is a UI/UX design tool that's more geared towards web and app design. Pictocart is a great tool for creating infographics and reports, and Crello is a Canva alternative that offers similar features. Alright, so that was a quick overview of Canva and its features. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to be notified when I post new videos. If you want to learn more about Canva, check out their website. Okay, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.